Alrighty guys, so this is day 4, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm going to refresh the stats for our event. So as of now, it says 261 people, and we're gonna check. So it is day 4 at 9:43. Hey, I think the day 2 was 9:43 as well, something like that. Which is not planned. So let's see what we have now in terms of 305. Okay, so yeah, I mean, basically from yesterday in 24 hours. So I think we were at an average of like 80. And then here we have like 120 or something that signed up yesterday, 125. Which is pretty good. And so now I'm going to perform my tasks for today, which I haven't done yet. Just woke up, and I'm going to start working on this thing. Okay. So that was day 4, and we are at 305 attendees, which is very, very cool. And again, I mean, I'm not using any paid ads. I'm not using any any posting being vulnerable on social media or like SEO stuff that takes 6 months. This strategy is working really well. So today is the 17th. We still have 10 days before the event. So I'm very curious to see how many people I can actually get to basically attend this event. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.